In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make sweet and sour chicken skewers, brilliant for lunches and amazing for lunch boxes. So let's get cooking. And that is it, another fantastic lunch idea, brilliant for lunch boxes. Now if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, and if you want more inspiration for other lunches, head on over to the Eat Skinny Live Lunches playlist where you'll be able to find lots more inspiration. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.